Question 9. Integration x cos inverse x dx. Let cos inverse x is equal to theta. X is equal to cos theta. And derivative of x dx is equal to minus sin theta d theta. Integration of x is cos theta. Cos inverse x is angle theta. Dx is minus sin theta d theta. Integration of first function will be angle theta and minus 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. 2 multiply by and dividing by 2. Minus 2 sin theta cos theta, that is equal to minus sin 2 theta. 1 by 2 integration of angle theta minus sin 2 theta d theta. We are taking common out of integral, minus half of integration angle theta sin 2 theta d theta. This is first function. And second, using by product rule of integration, that is minus half first function as it is, integration of second minus cos 2 theta upon 2 minus integration of differentiation of first 1 and integration of second minus cos 2 theta upon 2 d theta minus 1 by 2 minus theta into cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1 divided by 2 minus this will be positive, and integration of cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta upon 2 minus 1 by 2 multiply by minus angle theta, this will be positive, and minus 1 by 2 multiply by 1 by 2, this will be negative. So we get theta 2 cos square theta minus 1 divided by 4 and minus 1 by 4 into sin 2 theta, we can write 2 sin theta cos theta divided by 2. 2 is cancelled, and we can write angle theta, that is cos inverse x, and 2 x square minus 1 into cos inverse x divided by 4 minus 1 upon 4 sin theta 1 minus cos square theta, that is 1 minus x square into x plus constant c. Answer. Given integration x cos inverse x dx, let us assume cos inverse x is equal to theta, then x is equal to cos theta and dx is equal to minus sin theta d theta. We are putting dx is equal to minus sin theta d theta, and this will be negative, and dividing and multiplying by 2, so we get minus 2 sin theta cos theta, that is minus sin 2 theta. Minus is taking out of integral, but we get angle theta and sin 2 theta d theta using by product rule of integration first function as it is integration of second minus integration of differentiation of first, that is theta, is equal to dd theta of theta is 1 and integration of second minus cos 2 theta upon 2 d theta, minus half of integration minus theta into cos 2 theta, we can write 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus half of minus cos 2 theta integration is sin 2 theta minus minus, this will be plus upon 2, and 2 sin theta we can break, sin 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. 2 is cancelled, minus 1 by 2 multiplying both sides, we get minus 1 by 4 into sin theta, we can write 1 minus cos square theta, and cos theta is x, then cos square theta is x square, 1 minus x square into cos theta is x into root 1 minus x square plus constant c. Answer. Question number 10, integration of sin inverse x raised to power 2 dx. Let sin inverse x is equal to theta, x is equal to sin theta, and derivative of x is equal to cos theta d theta, dx is equal to cos theta d theta, and integration of that is angle theta square, and dx is cos theta d theta. This is first and second function using by product rule, angle theta as it is, theta square as it is, integration of cos theta, that is sin theta, minus integration of differentiation of first 2 theta into integration of second sin theta d theta. Next step is theta square sin theta minus 2 integration of angle theta sin theta d theta. This is first function and second function. So angle theta square sin theta minus 2 using by product rule of integration angle theta as it is, integration of sin theta is equal to minus cos theta minus integration of differentiation of theta is 1 into integration of sin theta is equal to cos theta negative d theta. Theta square sin theta minus 2 minus theta cos theta and minus minus plus integration of cos theta equal to sin theta positive plus constant c, then theta square sin theta minus 2 minus minus is plus 2 theta cos theta minus minus plus 2 theta cos theta and minus multiply by sin theta, this is minus 2 sin theta plus constant c, that is equal to sin theta is x and theta square is sin inverse x square plus 2 into theta is sin inverse x into under root 1 minus sin square theta, that is 1 minus x square, minus 2 into sin theta is x plus constant c. Answer. Thank you.